Hey there, want to remove the updates from your Gmail app? Don't worry, I have got it covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove those updates from your Gmail app. Let's get started. First things first, open up the Gmail app. The best way to stop Gmail from sorting these emails into updates is to remove the categories from your inbox. To do that, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Under your account settings, you will see an option for inbox type. Tap on it and select Default Inbox instead of Others and tap on Done. This way, your emails won't be automatically grouped into tabs like Updates, Promotions or Social. Everything will just go straight into your main box. And that's it, you have now taken control of your Gmail updates on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.